We are about to start this demonstration of the technical system. Why we explore this technical system? We have started this 8 years ago. Now it is international. We were not completely satisfied by the point system, international scene. Higher? Okay. And so we try how to put system where athletes could fence for time without interruptions, fencing, showing their technical ability, tactical ability, and of course their ability to hit. This is a system that we will show you a completely different kind of metabolic consumption rate. So he's working in a different way, and by this point of view is more similar to other combat sports. I will give you.
Okay. So how does it work? In this case, we're going to have one match, which is made out of 3 different rounds. Okay? Each round will take 2 minutes. The fencers will hit, and when they hit, they have to break distance. That's very important, so that it is not just hitting each other all the time. So once you hit, you have to break distance. Okay? The main referee in the middle, he is just conducting the match. So he will speak as less as possible. Okay? The commands are break if the 2 fencers are getting too close. Halt, obviously, if there is the need to say something or to give an infraction. Okay? And that's more or less it. They will continue. Obviously, there are boundaries to the ring. And okay, so who wins if there are no sticks? Now, we have 3 referees. There are 3 judges, which are, in this case, Drummond, Silvia, and I'm going to be at the table. Okay? They are going to write down how many hits and what they see, and they're going to analyze the technical approach of the 2 fencers. Okay? And they're going to keep their board with them until the end, so that each judge doesn't know the score for the other ones. Okay? At the end, we will collect all of the information, and there will be one winner. Okay? Do you have any questions?
How to express the victory is based on a scale like 5-4. It means that the bout was very interesting, very close, but one have been slightly better than the other. Or 5-3. It means that there was a clear dominance. Or 5-2, quite a big difference. 5-1, kind of a bad day, destroyed. Or 4-4 is a tie. Like in other combat sports, no?
I think we can start with the demonstration, and then probably you will have questions at the end.
Yeah.
Okay?
Let me just thanks a lot Maestro J. Maes here. Jay is gently helping us It's the first time that he tried this new kind of competition. So even if we are going to take it as a demonstration, this is really a big effort, and thank you very much for doing this. Thank you. Ok, so tienilo tu e tu se vuoi. So, table ready, judges ready, fencers ready, salute. Start. Fight. Tell them something.
Then you don't think we must.
Quanti siamo? Quanti siamo? Quanti siamo?
To address 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Salute. Time.
Seconds.
Stop. Here. Fine.
Ten seconds. Nine.
Stop. This is important. They are behaving quite good, very good, so I don't need to stay on the end. As usual. Often they see me enter, but they are going out.
20 seconds.
Now, second, third, and second, you could witness some change of
10 seconds.
For example, the physical Salute. Fine. Center, step in. Fine. Step. Fine. Oh, yeah.
progression. Yeah. But if there was the clear, like, what about a disarm? 2 points for a disarm? Okay. And is the idea to do this with every weapon and or just regular? Or? So I'm assuming you guys were learning about this. You could also think of it as a really long épée that you're allowed to cut with. Yeah.
With you now use the season with point of 42 to 35 red win.